My name is Rohit Vijay Sarda from class 10C. My roll number is 26.
Morning everyone, my name is Yashvi Singh and
Hello, myself Adish Deepak Thorat from class 10C.
Hello everyone, my name is Rushikesh Wankede.
Good morning everyone, my name is Manasvi Arya and I am from class 10C and today I am going to present my English art integration project. My topic is comparison of Maharashtra and Odisha's wildlife. So what is wildlife? Wildlife traditionally refers to undomesticated animal species but has come to include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems: deserts, forests, rainforests, plains, grasslands, and other areas, including the most developed urban areas, all have distinct forms of wildlife. While the term in popular culture usually refers to animals that are untouched by human factors, most scientists agree that much wildlife is affected by human activities. Humans have historically tended to separate civilization from wildlife in a number of ways, including the legal, social, and moral senses. Some animals, however, have adapted to suburban environments. This includes such animals as domesticated cats, dogs, mice, and gerbils. Some religions declare certain animals to be sacred, and in modern times, concern for the natural environment has provoked activities to protest against the exploitation of wildlife for human benefit or entertainment. Global wildlife population have decreased by 68% since 1970 as a result of human activity, particularly overconsumption, population growth, and intensive farming. According to a 2020 World Wildlife Fund report and its Living Planet Index measure, which is further evidence that humans have unleashed a sixth mass extinction event. Wildlife in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is home to a large number of animals and bird species, including the tiger, crocodile, bison, gabba, nilgai, wild deer, sambar, and rare migratory birds. The state animal of Maharashtra is the Indian giant squirrel. Maharashtra is rich in its flora and fauna count, and that's why here one can see some of the largest eco hotspots, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and bird sanctuaries, which has been attracting nature lovers and wildlife aficionados from the different corners of India and abroad. Even the metropolitan city like Mumbai, counted amongst the most congested cities in India, has a forest reserve in the form of Sanjay Gandhi National Park, which is home to 274 species of birds along with its 42 kinds of mammals. The oldest and the largest national park and tiger reserve in Maharashtra, Tadoba, is a must visit for those who want to see tiger roaming freely in their natural habitat. Jeep safari facility is also available in the Navegaon National Park, which is home to species like mouse deer, four-horned antelope, Indian gaur, sloth bear, tigers, and leopards. Melaghat Tiger Reserve is another tiger tourism destination in Maharashtra, which was the first 9 tiger reserves notified in 1973 to 74 under Project Tiger. Ratnagiri Sanctuary is one such forest reserve where tourists can immerse themselves in the thrill of walking on the pathways in the forest while anticipating the myriads of the area's flora and fauna. Also, here one can see nesting and hatching turtles. These are some animals those are found in Maharashtra like crocodile, nilgai, bison, and wild deer. Wildlife in Odisha. The state animal of Odisha is sambar. They prefer forests, marshy and wooded areas. They commonly found near water where it can forage for water plants. They like the dense cover of deciduous shrubs and grasses. The flora and fauna of Odisha, a state in eastern India, is extremely diverse and gives the state a reputation for abundance of natural beauty and wildlife. The districts in the interior are thickly covered by forests, both of the tropical moist deciduous type as well as tropical dry deciduous. The hills, plateaus, and isolated areas of the northeastern part of the state are covered by the tropical moist deciduous forest, whereas the second types of the forest are located in the southwest region of the state. There are 479 species of birds, 86 species of mammals, 19 species of amphibians, and 110 species of reptiles present in Odisha. The state is also an important habitat for the endangered olive ridley turtles and Irrawaddy dolphins. Koraput district of southern Odisha has been identified by Food and Agriculture Organization of UN as Global Agriculture Heritage Site, which is among only other 3 sites in the world. Other sites are in Peru, China, and Philippines. As per the Chilika Development Authorities updated data, 323 aquatic species, which include 261 fish species, 28 prawns, and 34 crabs, are reported, out of which 65 species breed in the lake. 27 species are freshwater fishes and 2 genera of prawns. The remaining species migrate to the sea to breed. 21 species of herrings and sardines of the family Cupellid are reported. Between 1998 to 2002, 40 fish species were recorded here for the first time, and the following the reopening of the lake mouth in 2000, 6 threatened species have reappeared, including milkfish, Seba khainga, Indo-Pacific tarpon, Fanny leo, 10-pounder Nahama, bream, Kala kuranti, Hilsa tenuolsa, Elisa ilsi, and Mullet R. kolsu, Kikenda. These are some of the animals those are found in Odisha like langur, fishing cat, slow worm, and green sea turtle. Thank you.
And today I'm going to present my English art integration activity in front of you. The topic for my art integration activity is wildlife. Today I'm going to show the semi-evergreen forest of Maharashtra and the coastal region of Odisha in front of you. So let's begin. The art which I've chosen is painting. So I'm going to present my all information through painting. So let's first talk about semi-evergreen forest of Maharashtra. The forest of this type occur mostly on upper hill slopes from 450 meters to 1050 meters above the sea level in Western Ghats. The main species are Kinjal, Anjani, Hydra. These are the animals found in the semi-evergreen forest, as well as tigers and leopards. So let's see some trees, which are types of trees found in semi-evergreen forest. So these are jambul, parmajun, mangoes, and pista. So now let's see the coastal plains of Odisha now. The Odisha has a coastline of 485 kilometer long, which is along the Bay of the Bengal, and is large by the 8th largest state by the area. The coastal region of Odisha is very famous for its tourism, for surfing, dolphin watching, etc. The people from various different countries visit Odisha's coastline to see its beauty. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Going to present an animation on wildlife.
Hey brother, yesterday I was reading an article on climatic conditions and I saw many similarities between Maharashtra and Odisha. How can this be, and is there any wildlife similarities between them? There are many similarities between Maharashtra and Odisha, especially in culture and also in climate. So today I will be going to tell you about wildlife in Maharashtra and Odisha. First we will go on Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, Nilgiri Thar are populated over 600 and found in Western Ghats. Second are Asiatic lions, whose population is 523, found in Sanjay Gandhi Park. Third one are black bucks. Population is 400, found in Rihikuli Black Buck Sanctuary. Fourth one are sloth bear. Population is 6,000 to 11,000, found in Chandrapur Milghat. Fifth one are Indian bisons, whose population is 3026, found in Kalambar Tehsil, Usmanabad district of Maharashtra. So now we will talk about Odisha. In Odisha, saltwater crocodiles are populated over 1000 are found in Bhitarkanika. Second we will talk about black bucks. Population not mentioned, found in Balipadar. Third are dolphins. Dolphins are populated over 300 and found in Chilika. Fourth one are tigers and leopards. Population not mentioned and are spread across entire state. Migratory birds over million and are found in Chilika and in entire state.
I also want to say something, that is, in Maharashtra and Odisha, migratory birds are populated over 2 million and are common in both states.
Yes, this is true about Maharashtra and Odisha's wildlife.
Today I am going to explain you my English art integration project. My topic of my art integration project is wildlife, state animals and birds of Maharashtra and Odisha. First of all, we will know about what are state animals and state birds. Like tiger and peacock are our national animal and bird respectively. Each state has its state animal. And today we are going to see the state animal and bird of Maharashtra and Odisha. State animal of Maharashtra. The state animal of Maharashtra is the Indian squirrel, Indian giant squirrel. The Indian giant squirrel or Malabar giant squirrel is large tree squirrel species endemic to forests and woodlands in India. It is diurnal, arboreal and mainly herbivorous squirrel. State bird of Maharashtra. The state bird of Maharashtra is the yellow-green yellow-footed green pigeon. The yellow-footed green pigeon, Pteron phoenicoptera, which is its scientific name, also known as yellow-legged green pigeon, is a common species of green pigeon found in the Indian subcontinent. It is state bird of Maharashtra. In Marathi, it is called Hola or Hariyal. State animal of Odisha. State animal of Odisha is the sambar deer. The sambar is a large deer native to the Indian subcontinent, South China, and Southwest Asia that is lined as a vulnerable species on the IUCN Red List since 2008. Populations have declined substantially due to severe hunting, insurgency, and industrial exploration of habitat. State bird of Odisha. The state bird of Odisha is the Indian roller. The Indian roller is a bird of the family Coracidae, which is its scientific name. The rollers. It occurs widely from West Asia to the Indian subcontinent. It is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List. The Indo-Chinese roller was formerly included as a subspecies. Thank you.
Today I'm here going to show you a topic which is related to the English. The topic name is wildlife. Here I will show you the Photoshop of wildlife of Maharashtra and Odisha. So let's begin. In Maharashtra there are tiger, crocodile, bison, gawa, nilgai, wild deer and rare migratory birds. In Odisha the wildlife animals are found saltwater crocodile, black buck, elephant, girai, leopard, tiger and migratory birds. In Maharashtra, there are 103 tigers, 65 crocodiles, 1900 bisons and 25,000 of wild deer. In Odisha, the saltwater crocodile are 95, black buck are 900, elephants are 1976, leopards are 345, tigers are 40 and migratory birds are 25,000.